Kate, haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm just gonna go to this club night to play some pool. What about you?
Nice. Actually, I'm supposed to go over to Spicer to film class canceled again right now.
I mean, this sounds kind of fun. You want to come to this?
Yeah, actually I have a few minutes before we start, so let's do it.
You can wait. Alright, so we are here in the Student Union game room to talk to David, the president of the Billiards Club, to learn a little bit more about pool and how to play.
Yeah, how's it going, David?
Good. So Billiards Club down here, it's Wednesday nights from 7 to 10. It's really just about getting people down here together to all play, they all share a similar interest in pool, to just play and have some fun. The club has various range of skill level in it, so you don't have to be amazing, and you can be good if you are, but it doesn't really matter. We actually have a separate team for people that are more into playing competition and stuff like that. So coming down to club is just about meeting new people and having fun.
So you're part of the competition team then?
Yeah.
How's that been?
It's been pretty good. We usually go to about 1 or 2 tournaments a semester or year, but the one that we typically go to is up at the University of Michigan, and they close their game room down, so we don't actually have one to go to at the moment.
So has Akron been getting some wins then besides that?
Besides that, it's mostly individual tournaments for nationals. The club actually had 3 members qualify for nationals over the summer. 2 were able to go, the 1 wasn't, and I think the 1 club member, Alistair, down there, I believe he placed like 10th at nationals out of about 35 people, so he did really well.
So what's your personal favorite part of the club?
Personal favorite part of the club is probably just everyone down here just playing pool, having fun, talking to each other.
Nice. Do you feel like there's like a big learning curve from when you started and where you are now, or where other people started and where they are now?
I don't know about a big learning curve, but it really just depends on how often you want to come down and practice. It's all about practice.
So I think it looks pretty nice down here in the Union. I think Akron's got a nice facility. How do you think it compares to other places, like you said, going to Michigan or other local places in the Akron area? Like, how does this place compare?
Akron actually has one of the best facilities that I've seen out of all the places I've traveled to. Definitely the tables are maintained the nicest out of all of them, and we actually have a lot of tables compared to some of the other universities too.
Nice.
Sounds pretty awesome. So I think you have somebody who's going to be able to teach us how to play billiards.
Yeah, that'll be myself and my friend Austin.
Awesome, let's get started.
I need the help. Alright guys, so I think it's time for a break. Break in pool, that is.
So sad. This could be so sad because you don't even know. Wow.
Do people often make balls on the break, or is it kind of like a rare?
People usually make at least a ball on the break, but an 8 ball is definitely part of it.
Okay, alright.
There's some interesting background noise.
You didn't lose, so 8 balls still in play, so I guess it's me. Alright, so she just broke. Everything's still kind of in the center here. What is your recommendation? Where should I kind of go for? Any tips?
So with how lovely the balls are right now, you really could take anything. The table's really not developed too much yet, so it's honestly just the easiest shot for you. I would suggest the 9 ball is probably the
I was looking at the 9, it's not exactly straight, but I'll do my best. Normally, like, when everything's just kind of congested, I just go as hard as I can, but I'm sure that's not a great tactic. Unless I was aiming for that one the whole time. No. Alright, so whose turn is it now? It's his turn?
What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make sure that I leave my partner a good shot. So I'm trying to look and see where I can leave the cue ball after my shot.
I was like, I'm going to make it. Forget about it.
So in order to make sure she can make the ball that got moved up there, I'm going to try to make the 1.
I don't know if I could ever make that shot in my life. Alright, so
What about this? What about this 3?
Yeah, I didn't leave you too good on the 2, so I tried to make the 3. So how you want to line that up? So you want to put your cue right over, point where you're making it in your pocket. And you're going to aim for that point right there.
Oh, interesting.
that's a cool tip.
That's how the cue is going to,
Yeah.
it's going to hit it and push it that way.
Okay, I see what you mean. It's a little harder with a 15. We'll try.
Now, do I get a point if she falls below their elbow? That was close.
Oh, this is so early on. Sorry, going so early.
When you did the ghost ball like David did, it's better for this shot. So aim and put your cue ball where the 5 is. And let it travel perfectly.
Well, I guess you made one.
Well, yeah, we won. I guess it was a pretty easy game. You know, I was making shots left and right the whole time. So, yeah, it was a nice time, right, Clayton?
Yeah, I mean, I learned a lot. I feel like next time I go to play with some friends, I'm definitely gonna do a lot better.
Yeah.
So didn't win here, but we'll win next time.
Oh, next time?
Yeah.
No, I think I definitely learned some like tips and tricks along the way. You know, impress my friends at our pool games that we have annually.
Yes.
How do you guys feel? You know, teaching newbies.
I love teaching new people. I like seeing people progress from where they started. It really makes me feel good as a person knowing that I was able to help someone out.
Nice.
Well, you definitely helped me out. So.
For me, teaching people, it's a little bit different because I just started a couple years ago, and teaching people makes me remember how I was taught, and it takes me back to the basics, and it actually helps me improve too.
All right, so there you go. Come down to the University of Akron Union to play some pool
Yes.
and get better.
Well, that's about it for this episode of Class Cancelled. Be sure to follow us on Twitter @Class Cancelled and subscribe to our YouTube channel at the University of Akron. See you next time, Class is Cancelled.